So I'm Lawrence Langston, and this is my presentation on the dangers of outdoor and feral cats. So what cats actually are an issue? The cats that are posing the most issue to the natural environment are outdoor and feral cats. Indoor cats are completely exempt from this discussion. An estimated 60 to 100 million feral cats are loose in the United States alone. Likely because we have no real way of finding the exact number, these are actually extreme underestimations. So there are a couple issues that we face with outdoor feral cats. First of all, they are a danger to themselves through stuff like car collisions, fighting themselves, and starvation. Another issue we have is high reproduction rates, along with their ecological impacts and the zoonotic diseases that they carry. Now, zoonotic diseases are essentially diseases that can infect humans. One of the most pressing issues when it comes to cats is their high reproduction rates. Cats can reach sexual maturity in as little as 6 months. On top of this, they can produce approximately 3 litters each year, with 2 to 4 kittens per litter. This equates to about 12 offspring in a given year. On the right side, you can see a diagram provided by the Spay and Neuter Foundation that at first it doesn't seem like that big of a problem, but later on, assuming no individuals die, cats actually have the propensity to produce as many as 2 billion cats in an 8-year span. Another issue is their ecological impact. Cats are actually a prolific predator that are not part of the natural ecology of our region. Annually, approximately 1.4 to 3.7 billion birds are victims to cats in the U.S. alone. Ground nesting birds such as quail, killdeer, and ovenbirds are particularly susceptible. Additionally, cats can kill 6.9 to 20.7 billion small mammals annually. On top of this, invasive species are actually a primary driver for diversity loss and extinctions, and cats alone are attributed with the extinction of multiple mammals, reptiles, and at least 33 bird species across the globe. When it comes to outdoor cat owners, many are unaware to how much impact their cats are actually having, because cats will cache and hide their kills for later on. They don't always bring it back to the doorstep of wherever they're staying. Another issue for outdoor and feral cats are the cat-related zoonotic diseases. Cats are a known vector for zoonotic diseases such as toxoplasmosis, bartonellosis, and salmonella, on top of feline AIDS, which actually can be transmitted to humans. Additionally, they carry Toxoplasma gondii, which is a parasite when humans are infected can cause ocular and neurological issues. The effects of this parasite actually can be lifelong and are commonly transmitted to children through sandboxes, which serve as a great place for cats to use the bathroom. Additionally, outdoor cats are known to carry rabies. So there are 2 main methods of reduction for feral cats. The first is trap, neuter, /spay, release, also known as TNR programs, and the second being lethal euthanasia. There are a couple issues with TNR programs. The main one being, it is a big ethical dilemma, because what it actually does is encourages the re-release of a captured exotic predatory species back to the natural ecosystem. Therefore, these cats can go on having an ecological impact and killing native species. Additionally, TNR programs are very costly because they require the chemical inhibition of an individual, which means they have to put them under in order to perform the procedure. Lastly, since populations are not closed, TNR programs may provide a temporary decrease in cat populations. However, over time, the problem will revert itself because more and more cats will move into the area to fill the hole. The most effective control measures, first of all, is to keep your cats inside. This is extremely important because it's the easiest thing for the landowner to do. Additionally, Adoptable individuals should go to shelters to find loving homes when possible. Individuals who are deemed too aggressive, sick, or otherwise unadoptable should be ethically euthanized. Shelters definitely should not focus on ineffective methods like TNR, and instead use a science-based approach rather than letting our emotions get involved. Because honestly, no one likes having to euthanize cats. However, it's our only real option currently. Now, how can the individual help? First of all, like I said, keep your cats indoors. That is immensely important. After this, you should contact your local animal shelter or animal control office to see what they can do. And you should inform others of the dangers of outside cats. Additionally, you can also contact state or local agencies for removal.